Onsa? Sige, ikaw. Sige, ikaw, intro. Hi, guys. Sige, ikaw, intro. Dali na. Siya.
Sige, ikaw.
Pila?
760.
760. Yummy na. Isara man dahil ni kabuo ko niya arang kamahal. Uwi na.
Uwi? Uwi?
Uwi, Tagalog man na. Ang susi na akong mama. Mahali na.
Yan, yan.
Tato ba nga na kasi ya? What's up, yo? What is it? Gubur ako nagkintin niya tagi sarang katamis. So, nakarating na kami ng bahay galing sa pagpa-check up ng aking chikiting. Dahil sa kanyang mata, sa kanyang sore eyes, meron siyang sore eyes. Pagkagaling sa ospital,
And sauna.
nagutom. Nakaluto agad ng mabilis ang adobo.
Big summer blowout. I thought swimming suits, clogs, and a sun balm of my own invention. Yeah?
Oh, great. For now,
Ito is masarap papakin.
winter boots and dresses?
That would be in our winter department.
Oh. I was just wondering, has another young woman, the
Paborito ng mga
Queen,
Pinoy,
perhaps,
chicken
passed
feet,
through
yummy.
here?
Only one crazy enough to be out in this storm is you, dear. You and this fellow. Big summer blowout. Correct. Behind you.
Oh, right. Excuse me.
Oh, the real hammer in July, yes? Wherever could it be coming from? The North Mountain.
Where's Mountain?
That'll be 40. 40. No, 10. Oh dear, that's no good. See, this is from our winter stock.
Hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat. Bye!